Hi there, I'm going to show you how to use the WordPress plugin for Meeting Truth. You can see I'm logged into a WordPress site at the moment. I'm at the dashboard and the first thing I want to do is install my plugin. So I'll go down to plugins here and choose add new. And in the search plugins box, we'll just type in Meeting Truth, hit return and install now with an OK when it asks if you're sure. Now we're going to activate the plugin. And there are a few settings we can change. So we'll go down to the plugin in the list and choose settings. Just to explain a few of these settings, payment location. So when someone makes a booking through the plugin, they can either be sent straight to PayPal and back to your site, or they can be sent to Meeting Truth, which takes the payment. Second is Meeting Truth links. There's a small banner that appears at the bottom of the events when they're displayed by the plugin. Ticking this box makes that banner a link to the Meeting Truth website. Not compulsory, but we'd appreciate it if you were to tick that. Next is the colours. There's a colour picker which you can use to pick your colours. Alternatively, if you or your web designer knows the hex that you're after, then you can just type in the hex. I'm going to leave the other three colours for now. General layout is the event details display, so you can have the details of the event on the right hand side or at the bottom. I'm going to put it at the bottom. And display the teacher name determines whether the teacher name is displayed alongside each event or not. You'll probably want to untick this if it's a single teacher site and you're just displaying the events belonging to one particular teacher, because otherwise you'll have the same name repeated for every event. If you or your web developer knows CSS, then you can add any custom CSS in the bottom box. Once you're done, save changes. Now we want to place the plugin onto a page or a post. It can go on either, and the process is the same for either. You see I've made a page already called Non-Duality Meetings. I'll hit edit. And you can see in my text I put some introductory text in, and down the bottom we've got Meeting Truth events. You can display events if you're displaying events for all teachers, or if you're just displaying the events for a single teacher, then you can choose events and sessions so that the session information is displayed as well. I'm going to stick with just events for now, but I do also have the option to show all, show by teacher, where you can choose which teacher's events you'd like to display, or by country if you want to filter on a country. I'm going to stick with show all for this demo. Lastly, we have simple listings or full listings. Simple is a basic table and full will display the summary information as well. I'll stick with simple for now. Update the page. Now if I go to my website, I can click on Non-Duality Meetings, which is the page that I created earlier, and you can see that the plugin has displayed the upcoming events. And I can click on a particular event and see the information about that event. That's all there is to it. If you have any trouble at all, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on support@meetingtruth.com and we'll be happy to help.